today I'm reviewing the Kate Somerville Delicate Recovering Cream. And really quick, I just want to say, purchase all these products with my own money. I'll never waste your time with sponsored ads or videos. So if you want to help support the channel, check out nobsb.com, check my Patreon community, or click on the links below. Okay, I've been meaning to review this one. So I want to put a little bit of a little preface out there. I did not purchase the full size. Actually, Sephora had it as a gift with purchase with a $25 order. And I got 3 of them. I put in 3 orders, and I got 3 of them. So I've used the 2 of them. This is the last one. So it really equals almost the full-size container. So you can check my empties, because I've been using this one for a while, and I really enjoy it. So, okay, so for skin that's stressed or sensitized, this non-irritating clinical recovery cream provides immediate and long-lasting relief for dry, tight, irritated skin, while helping to reduce visible redness and support a healthy skin barrier. You'll see lasting hydration with continued use, because it is friggin' expensive. So if I was going to put in some orders, might as well try it for free, because the full size is expensive. So, okay, first criteria is packaging. The full size also has jar packaging. Kate Somerville brand does use airless jars in a lot of their stuff, but they didn't use it with this one. And I kind of get it because of the texture of it. It's kind of a balm texture, and I don't think it would work well with an airless jar, so I kind of get it. Maybe a squeeze tube would have been a better choice. But anyway, so I'm not crazy about the jar packaging, but there we go. In terms of denatured drying types of alcohol, it does not contain any of those. In terms of fragrance, it has no real scent, maybe like a very, very, very light, almost herbal scent. Maybe this is due to the inclusion of frankincense extract, which may or may not be fragrance based on the name they listed for the ingredient list, but it has a potential to have a little bit of fragrance in it. Also, ginger extract can be a bit of a fragrance ingredient as well. It also can be an antioxidant, but can also have some fragrance. So, yeah, so there's some essential oil compounds, 1 to 3% of ginger can be fragrance. So I don't really notice it unless I'm trying to look for it, but it is there a little bit. So the manufacturing location for this one is the US, so no issues with that. So ease of use, so basically how they say to use it, apply an even layer to face and neck. Woohoo! So I found, this is thick. I found I like using it in my evening routine. I do not like using it in my morning routine. I find it caused a little bit of pilling with some sunscreens, and it just took a while to like fully absorb. So you can see it's just got that balm texture to it, which it almost feels like you're applying like Vaseline or something. But it smooths over skin really easily. My hands are so dry. A little bit of it goes a long way. It really applies nicely in my evening routine and sets to a slightly radiant finish. But otherwise it plays well with everything else I'm using in my evening routine. I just did not prefer it in my morning routine, but they obviously say you can use it morning and evening. It kind of reminded me of the Peter Thomas Roth microbiome that came in like the red and gold jar. It reminded me of the texture of that. So, and certainly when you apply it, don't apply a ton of pressure, especially if you have any layers of skincare underneath, because then it kind of can cause a little bit of pilling. So if you apply it very light strokes, there's no issues there. But if you apply it too strongly, it will sometimes pill. So otherwise, after you use it a few times, you get pretty used to it. It's a little bit different than most products, but nothing too crazy. So, but really absorbs quickly and otherwise easy to use once you figure it out. So, okay, antioxidants and beneficial ingredients of this one. So we've got shea butter, great emollient, rich in fatty acids and antioxidants. We've got ceramide, skin identical ingredients, help maintain a healthy skin barrier. We've got honey extract, skin soothing ingredient, humectant ingredient, antimicrobial, antibacterial. Honey extract, there's a lot of evidence showing that it helps promote healing, especially with wounds and burns. So irritated, red, damaged skin can really benefit from it. Let's see. Then we've got tetrapeptide 14, which is claimed to be a soothing, redness-reducing peptides that regulates pro-inflammatory molecules in your skin to prevent inflammation. Also, peptide combined with certain green tea and Boswellia and honey is sold under its own name. So they likely bought a prepackaged solution containing the honey, the tripeptide, as well as the green tea and the frankincense. So because a lot of brands, they don't necessarily buy each ingredient, they buy compounds of different ingredients. So, okay, then we've got that frankincense extract, which is a soothing ingredient. It might be rich in anti-inflammatory and acids. It can have some fragrant component to it. It's hard to determine based on the ingredient list exactly which they used, if it's the one that has a fragrance compound to it or not. I can't tell. So, okay, let's see. Then we've got cholesterol, skin identical ingredient, berry repair. We've got green tea extract, antioxidant, soothing, anti-carcinogenic ingredient. We've got soybean extract, antioxidant, skin brightening, emollient. Why did I say that where I said it like soybean extract instead of like soybean? Like in Minnesota, soybeans are like everywhere. Is that what we use in the gas? Ethanol? Is that from soybeans?
No.
No, it's from corn. That's embarrassing. Can you edit that out? Okay, just pretend I didn't say that. Okay, rice bran extract, skin protecting ingredient. We've got ectoin, antioxidant and soothing ingredient. We've got bisabolol, an extract from chamomile that has soothing benefits for the skin. We've got cucumber seed oil. I can't believe I said that about the ethanol. And now you're not even going to be able to cut it out. I'm making a, you know what, sometimes, you know what, we had an entire person that lost a gubernatorial election because they didn't know what ethanol was. Do you remember that, cameraman, at all?
A little bit.
Yeah, anyway, so now I'm embarrassed. Thankfully, I'm not running for anything, nor will I ever. Okay, let's keep going. So, cucumber extract, soothing, moisturizing, nice fatty acids, emollient properties. I'm still, Okay, sunflower seed oil, a good emollient. We've got adenosine, a cell-communicating ingredient. We've got Tasmanian pepper extract, anti-inflammatory, anti-allergic, antioxidant, antimicrobial, relieves itching and burning, and helps strengthen capillaries. We've got rapeseed sterols, which is an antioxidant. We've got vitamin E, antioxidant emollient. We've got ginger root extract, potential antioxidant, also has the potential fragrance issue, sensitizing issue. We've got hydroxyphenyl propamezobenoic acid, which is also known as simcolmin, which is much easier to pronounce. Anti-irritant, anti-itch molecule. Copy is the active ingredient, is well-known soothing plant. Let's see. According to the manufacturer's study, 2% simcolmin reduced itchiness significantly by 65%, and it also reduced redness in skin by 50%. So, nice list of ingredients. There's a couple there that I question, maybe want to throw in this, but I'm not Kate Somerville, and I don't play her on TV either, so. Okay, in terms of animal testing, this is cruelty-free but not vegan. So for performance, why can't I speak today? I just sound like a kind of a fool, but you know what? I play a fool on TV. I don't play Kate Somerville. Performance. So it does a nice job in my evening routine. Really adds some nice hydration. Seals in everything I used before it. Feels kind of occlusive and really does a nice job preventing some moisture loss while I'm sleeping. Yeah, so the samples I got have equaled 1.5 ounces of the product, which the full size 1.7 ounces. I've finished 2 of them, almost done with this one. Really like the serum too that comes with it. The cleanser I wasn't such a fan of, but the serum, I think it was a Patreon that sent me the serum, and I really have enjoyed that. Yeah, so I'm pretty happy with this. Really helps hold my moisture while I sleep. For acne-prone skin, there are a ton of ingredients that are on this list that are iffy, that you should keep your eyes out for. There's a total of 9 of them. So for acne-prone skin, we've got Pentaerythrityl Tetraisostearate. We've got cetyl alcohol. We've got Glyceryl stearate. We've got Dimethicone. We've got sorbitol isostearate. We've got stearic acid. We've got vitamin E. We've got Cetearyl 20. And we've got carbomer. So is that actually 10? I can't even tell. I don't even know. But it might be 10. Hang on, let me count. Cetearyl,
Oh, God.
9. Okay, I screwed up. So it was 9. I was right the first time. Price. So the full size, get this, 1.7 ounces, 50 milliliters, retails for $76 freaking dollars. $76. You see why I got the samples, because each of those samples is probably worth like 20 bucks. So, I mean, it's a good product, but I just don't necessarily think anyone needs to spend $76 because it's a good product, but there's a lot of other products that are just as good as this that are more affordable. terms of the it factor, I actually really like this. It didn't do overwhelmingly well on my Sarah score scale based on a couple major things. But overall, I really did like this. I probably won't I probably won't purchase the full size after trying all the samples, but I loved it. But I just got, like the Skin Fix Barrier Lipid Cream is $20 less than this and still really good. So you don't necessarily, but I do like it a lot. It's a good product. So with the 10 being perfect score, I got a 7. So it did about average, but I still really do like it. I just can't mentally pay that much money for a moisturizer, especially when the cost of everything else are kind of going up. So anyway, it's a good product though. So if you can get the samples, go for it. Or if it's on sale, pick it up. Then it's a good deal. So anyway, interesting for many of you guys if you had a chance to try this or any of the other 2 products from this line. What are your thoughts? Leave a comment. Love hearing from you guys. And I will see you tomorrow and make more of a fool of myself then because I'm really good at that. Thanks so much. Bye, guys.